Hey nail art lovers, welcome back to my channel Fashionable. Today we are diving into world of funky nail, bold, bright and full of personality. If you love experimentally with color and unique designs, this video is just for you. Funky nail art is all about mixing creativity with confidence. From neon colors, everything you need to try at home. No matter if you are a beginner or a pro, these ideas are super fun to recreate. Get your nail brushes ready and let's make you nail the center of attentions. And do not forget to hit that like button if you love bold nail designs. Subscribe to the channel for more nail inspiration every day. Now let's jump into the funky nail vibes. First up, neon funky nail, the ultimate summer vibes. Bright yellow, hot pink and electric blue can make your nail pop instantly. Abstract designs are a huge trend in funky nails right now. Think random, swirl, shape and color splash. Try mixing 2 and 3 neon shades for a guardians or ombre effect. You can also paint each nail a different color for a funky rainbow look. Add a layer of glitter, make it extra eye-catching. Neon polka dot on a nude base are another fun ideas. They look amazing in photo under natural sunlight. Do not forget a glossy to go to look in the shine. Neon nails scream energy and fun are true funky vibes. Pair them with colorful accessories for a full look. You can also mix neon with matte finishes for contrast. If you are feeling bold, add funky straps or zigzag lines. Neon funky nails are a must-try for every nail art lovers. Let's move to our next funky designs. You can even make each nail completely different for a wild look. You do not have to be perfect, as abstract art is all about freedom. Let us know in the comment which pair was your favorite. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more fashion inspiration every day. Thanks for watching my video. Stay stylish, stay comfy. Bye.